Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to cook mushroom and cottage cheese curry. Here I have taken 200 grams of mushrooms cut into 2 parts, 200 grams of cottage cheese or paneer cut into big cubes, 2 big onions cut into thin long slices, 2 tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 onion cut into cubes, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here I have also taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 cloves, 4 green cardamoms, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 big cardamom. Now these are few maces or javitri, then 1/4 teaspoon of black peppers, 2 bay leaves, few green chillies long sliced. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Fry the cottage cheese pieces in it till both sides turn golden brown. Remove and keep aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai or wok. Add cumin seeds. Saute. Then add the sliced onions. Fry till color changes. Then add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Then add chopped tomatoes. Stir well. When tomatoes become soft, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Stir well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Then add half teaspoon of coriander powder. Saute. Add half cup of water. Mix well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Now open the lid. The tomato is perfectly cooked. Cool it and make a smooth paste out of it. See, this is the smooth paste. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. You can add clarified butter also. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Let it caramelize. See, the sugar is caramelized now. It will add color to the gravy. Quickly add the whole spices. Put the flame in medium hot. Then add the onion cubes. Stir for half a minute. Then add the mushroom. Stir it. Now cover the pan. Cook for 2 minutes in low-medium flame. Now open the lid. The mushrooms are soft now. Add all the masala paste. Mix well. Add red chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, fennel seeds powder. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of curd also. Mix well. Now add half cup of water. Mix well. cover and cook for 2 minutes. Open the lid. Add the fried cottage cheese. Mix well. Now add 1 cup of water to cook the curry well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. Open the lid. See, the mushroom and paneer are perfectly blended well with each other. Add roasted cumin seeds powder, garam masala powder, mix well. Then add chopped coriander, mix well. Add the sliced green chillies, stir well. Now mushroom paneer curry is perfectly cooked. Garnish with little cream. Serve hot with roti, rice or naan. Friends, if you really like this mushroom and cottage cheese curry, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the notifications early. Thank you for watching.